Hi, this is Jeannie Pence, and I'm going to show you a little floral arrangement today. I got this cross as a gift a while back, and this is the way it came from the flower shop. There's nothing wrong with that bow, but I'm going to take that off, and I'm going to make just a small floral arrangement to go on it. Just to show you how you can use up scrap supplies. Now, this is kind of heavy, and that's about a 22 or 24 inch cross. It's going to be just right for my front door. And I found these leftover pieces. So this is the kind of project I like. I like to reuse products and use up leftover pieces. So I found one lime hydrangea. I don't even remember what I used that on. And I found some extra pieces of some lime ranunculus. And you know, I made that Valentine centerpiece back in February or January, and I used red tulips. And this is what I had left from that. So we're going to use that. And then I found just some little filler pieces that I had used and saved. That's why you always save any little piece that you have left. Save it, because you know, sometimes you'll find a use for it. And what I like about an arrangement like this is I'm not having to buy anything new. I'm using leftover ribbon. It's raining outside. I didn't want to go to Trendy Tree and to the warehouse and pick up some new stuff. I did go in there and look because I was thinking I would get some new flowers and some new ribbon, and it has turned off cold and rainy today, so I decided that I'd make do with what I had. So this will work. So I'm going to need a little piece of styrofoam, and I'm going to attach the styrofoam just below. I mean, this little center part is going to be covered up by the time we get the flowers and all on there. But I'm going to attach a small piece of styrofoam with floral wire right along here. Now, this is one reason I don't use most of the time, I don't use hot glue on my product, on my creations, because I'm not making them to sell. I'm making them for me. And I'll probably want to take this off and maybe do something else a little later on in the summer, or make something like a patriotic cross, or an Easter cross with some, obviously, you know, Easter things like something religious, or Easter eggs and that kind of thing, or change it out for fall, change it out for Christmas. So that's why I try to stay away from hot glue when I'm making something. Now I have this little pre-shaped piece. I think this styrofoam comes from Dollar Tree, but I really think that's too much. So I'm just going to cut, this is also, I probably came from Dollar Tree. So I'm just going to cut a little piece off of that. It's noisy, y'all. Sorry. I should have cut that before I started. But I'm going to go ahead and make it a little bit smaller. So that's going to wind up about a 2-inch block. And I'm going to just take some floral wire. Here's my wire cutters. And Rachel showed me how to do this one time, if I can do it again. But you take one end of your wire and go through your styrofoam. And my wire is it's a lightweight gauge. Well, I'm not sure what happened to my camera. I'll finish showing you how I wired that in, but I've got this bow in my hand, so I need to finish it off first. Well, I just gave up. My equipment was not working with me today, so I just turned it off and I just finished. It was a small 3-loop bow, and I just stuck in these odd flowers that I had left over, and just, you know, trim the tails of the ribbon. I like to chevron the ends of the 2.5 inch, but usually on the 1.5 inch, I'll just cut those at an angle. If you need to cover up the styrofoam, I just covered it up with some Spanish moss. And I mean, of course you could use some hot glue there, but what I did was just take a piece of straight floral wire and cut it, bend it, and you know, make it like a floral pen, okay? So that's it. I'm sorry about the video troubles today. Maybe I'll do better next time. Bye-bye.